Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you best TikTok Live Studio for gaming. Ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection. A wired connection is preferable for better stability. Reduce the video quality settings in the TikTok Live Studio to lessen the strain on your device and internet connection. Close any unnecessary apps running in the background on your device to free up resources for the TikTok live stream. Adjust your device's settings to prioritize performance, such as turning off background app refresh, reducing screen brightness, and enabling performance mode if available. Some devices have a gaming mode feature that optimizes performance and reduces lag during gameplay. Enable this mode if your device has it. Make sure you are using the latest version of the TikTok app, as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve performance issues by clearing temporary files and refreshing the device's system. If you are using other streaming services or applications while live streaming on TikTok, consider closing them to allocate more bandwidth and resources to TikTok. Reduce the graphics settings within your game to decrease the load on your device's GPU and CPU. Experiment with different combinations of settings to find the optimal balance between video quality and performance for your specific device and internet connection. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.